Today we're going over Harbor Freight's Dollar Days that's going on from March 12th to the 25th, and that's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, it's that time again where we got some new Dollar Day deals here, so let's go ahead and check out these new coupons that we got. And right off the bat, we have some 16-ounce hand soap, orange scented for $1, 49% off. That is not a bad deal at all on that. And then we got the always popular super glue gel 3-pack for $1, 49% off. That is another great deal. I need to go pick some of this up. This stuff works really good, and for $1, now is the time to get it. Then we got the Pittsburgh micro spring clamp set here, 6-pack for $1, 49% off on these also. Believe it or not, one of the best things I found to use these for is when you got bags of chips, roll the end of it up and clamp it with these. That way your chips stay fresh. That's about the best thing I've found for them. And then next up here, we got some Gordon utility blades with dispenser, a 10-pack for $1, 49% off. Great time right now for consumables, as I always say. Get that super glue over here and also get your razor blades and the hand soap. Very good stuff in this first row. Now starting off the second row, we got some paracord. This is an 1/8 inch by 50 foot with a 160 pound capacity for $2, 33% off. This is great stuff, mostly if you're into like outdoors survival stuff. This stuff is very nice to have to do all kinds of different things with. And for $2, it's a great grab to throw in your to-go backpack. Then we got Pittsburgh lifetime replacement number 2, 4-inch Phillips screwdriver, $2, 19% off. Not a bad deal for a decent screwdriver right there. Then we got another Pittsburgh lifetime replacement, 4.5-inch diagonal cutters for $2, 33% off. I do have these and they work pretty good for me. And if they do break, go ahead and hit up that lifetime warranty and get you a new set. Then finally in this row, we got a 36-inch pickup and reach tool for $2, 33% off. I've had these before and I've broken a lot of them. I've heard somebody say some of these from, I think, Dollar Tree are actually better than these, but I don't know what the price is, so you might want to look into that. But like I said, I have broken a couple of these. Next up here, we got a brand new item on the Dollar Days. We got a 100 lumen swivel lens headlamp for $2, 49% off. That's a good deal. And man, we got a lot of Pittsburgh on here this time. Lifetime replacement 12-inch pry bar for $3, 49% off. Then we got a Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 7-inch wire strippers with cutters for $3, 49% off. Then we got the brass 4-inch garden hose nozzle for $4, 19% off. We are coming into springtime, so it'd be a great time to get that. Starting off this row, we got a Merlin 1/4-inch industrial automotive and ARO style universal coupler. Your choice for $4, only 14% off. That's right about at our cutoff for 15%. If you need it, get it. If not, I would wait, and that's for the male or the female on that one. And then we got another Merlin 3/8-inch by 3-foot rubber air hose lead, 1/4-inch fittings, $4 at 19% off. Then we got the Warrior 1/4-inch to 3/4-inch number 3 titanium step drill bit, 9 steps on that, $4, 33% off. That's a great deal. And then here's another good one, Pittsburgh lifetime replacement adjustable pin spanner wrench, $4, 49% off. This is very nice, like if you have grinding wheels or anything and you got different ones, you can adjust these. The length of these that spread apart comes in real handy, so you don't need a bunch of these. You have one tool that does it all, and that's very nice. Now we got a Storehouse storage hook set, 20-piece, $4, 33% off. That's a great deal if you need to hang stuff up to get it out of the way and organize it. And then we got the Hallmaster E-Track tie-off strap with the D-rings for $5, 16% off. Just a little bit over our cutoff of 15%. Then we got an 8-foot by 6-inch by 11-foot 4-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp for $6, 24% off. That's a pretty good deal. Then we got the Chicago Electric Premium Welding Gloves for $6, 14% off. Like to see a little bit more, but we're right there at the 15%. So if you need these, I would probably pick them up or wait for a 15 or 20% off coupon. And now we got some more Pittsburgh. We got the 6-inch composite digital calipers. These are $6, 39% off. Not a bad deal. Now, if you need real precision work done, I would not use these. being this cheap, I would buy some of their more expensive ones, but if you just need to be close enough, then these will probably work out good for you. Then we got the Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 1 1/4 pound fiberglass axe for $7, 22% off. That's not a bad deal. And then we got something here I keep wanting to buy and try out. We got the Chicago Electric Power Tools high-speed steel rotary saw blade set. This one is a 6-piece for $7, 29% off. This might be a good time to pick these up and try them out. And they are compared to Dremel on there, saving you 83% on those. And then the last thing we got on here is the Badlands 3/4 inch D-ring shackle, your choice of color, $8, 27% off. That's a good price. And you got red or black for the colors on there. So now we're going to go over my picks here in this row that we're already in. I am going to pick the rotary saw blade set. I would pick that up. That's a good price on there. Like I said, I really want to try that out. Then the next row here, I would probably snag up the gloves if you need the welding gloves. And if you got to organize your garage, these would come in real handy on that. This row, I would definitely get the spanner wrench, the step drill bit. And then if you need air hose stuff, I would probably wait on these until I got a better coupon. Like I said, if you need it now though, go ahead and get it now. Now in this row, I would snag the wire strippers, 49% off. That's a great deal. Same way with this Pittsburgh pry bar. Another great deal at 49% off. I would also snag that up. This row, I would snag the diagonal cutters for $2. Lifetime replacement on them if you do break them. Same way with this screwdriver. It's always nice to have extra screwdrivers. I would snag this up with a lifetime replacement. And I am one of those people that I'm into outdoor stuff and everything. So I would also snag this paracord up for 33% off. That is a great deal on that. And then finally in this row, I would definitely snag up these utility blades with the dispenser. That is a great price on those. If you like to close up your bag of chips, I would get these. And I would also recommend the super glue and the hand soap for these prices, 49% off. And they're only $1. How can you not pass these up? So there you go. There's the Harbor Freight Dollar Days from March 12th to the 25th. I told you what I would pick up out of this. Leave a comment down below. What would you guys snag up out of this? Or what would you pass on it? I'd like to hear the comments down below. I love talking to you guys in the comments. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree down below. Down there, I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.